With Dibac Professional, you will be able to draw two types of arcs, the 3 points arc and the radius arc. To activate the 3 points arc, you need to press P and right-click. Once this arc method is active, click to establish the initial point of the arc. Then another click for the end point, and the third click will define the curvature of the arc. Once created, you can start drawing a new 3-point arc. To be more accurate with the curvature, it's recommended to hover the cursor over the arc segment until you like what you get, and then click to confirm. To change to the radius arc, press R and right-click with the mouse. The first click will determine the center of the arc. The second action will establish the radius. For this, you can click or type this value. The next click will indicate the initial point of the arc. Now you should start moving the cursor counterclockwise to start seeing the arc. To confirm, you can either click or type an angle and press Enter. So let's do this once more. The first click is for the center. Now the radius can be typed or clicked. Then click to indicate the initial point of the arc and type an angle to insert the arc.